Atongoria makanitha ni monanitie kwaga kuiganira na uria atongoria amwe ciama cia kiuteti makoretwo making'ethanira na uhoro uria uri wa mawege mainie na maimirira ma githurano undu uria ungiaga kurorwo na kinyi wa ya guthoga thayu wa bururi. Muthikafu wa kanitha wa ACK Jackson Ole Sapit ni oritie Kenya othe maikaranie na thayu kuria ahinyiriirie aria marahotirwo githurano-ini kinene gwitikira moimirira na waria marahotanire gukunguira na njira ya winyihia.
Those who were declared winners, we congratulate you and say pongezi. Those who are not satisfied should petition through courts or just legal means as provided by the law. For any other way will put this country in turmoil.
Ole Sapit ni oritie muingi wa Kenya kwaga kung'atheria abitha ugitiri methemane na guthukangia indo ciene hamwe na gwithemana na mirurungano iria itari mitikirie kiwatho akiuga tutire na bururi ungi.
We call upon the youth of this country to understand that this nation and country belong to them. It is your country. Do not provoke the police. Do not mime other people. Do not break into other people's premises. Do not let your anger or emotions override and overtake you.
Na kuo kanitha-ini wa Holy Family Basilica etekia kanitha ucio ni manyitanire hari mahoya ma bururi na atungatiri mahinyiriirie muingi kugia na urumwe atongoria kiuteti makiurio gukuru muhari-ini wa mbere kuiguithania muingi.
Aria mundu arauma ithuothe tuli family imwe ya Ngai na no ngiurie atongoria bururi aria marathurirwo na aria matanathurwo othe manyitanire hari kwariria Kenyans tondu ciugo ciao cina uritu ni tondu andu aria maramarumira ni maraigua uyu niwe mutongoria mangenda kana niwe marendire no mangiaria maririe Kenyans na mugambo umwe andu ni mekuigua na twake bururi wina thayu bururi wina urumwe na bururi wina uiguithanio anigetha ithuothe tukorwo twina thayu.
Muthikafu wa kanitha wa Katoliki Eldoret Bishop Cornelius Koril ari kanitha-ini wa Rosary Ting'ang'a kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ni ahinyiriirie mung'ethaniro kuhuthira njira iria ciagiriire kiwatho agikorwo matiaiganire na moimirira akiuga ni uru gukorwo makihurithania muingi na thirikari iria thuritwo kuria ningi ahinyiriirie mutongoria wa bururi kunyitithania a Kenya.
What has happened? The opposition denying the outcome of the results. With what we are asking the opposition, in a state of people using violence to solve the issue, let them go to court and solve the issue through the channels that is correct. The president now has been elected. First of all, we congratulate him and we ask him to unite Kenyans. Has to see how we can unite the people of Kenya. That's the first thing, priority. Not to lead Kenya as divided nation, but lead Kenya as united nation.
Miario ta ino ikiigwika kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu kuria Reverend Bernard Koskei wa kanitha wa Anglican Eldoret atongoririe Ahunjia hari mwitano wa thayu kuria ahinyiriirie mwena wa mung'ethaniro uthingata thayu na methemane na kuiya indo ciene riria maratabania mirurungano yao.
We are not happy when we see people doing mass action and all that. We really want a democratic system whereby everybody is pleased and where everybody is happy. And even for what came out from the results of the proclamation of the presidency, we want everything to be discussed well, so that we have everybody on board and everybody is happy with what's happening. And as a church, we are saying we really want peace in this nation.
Muthikafu Arthur Kitonga wa kanitha wa Redeemed Church agikira hinya ritana riri ari guku Nairobi kuria oritie muingi witikire guikarania na thayu na withemane na ateti aria muoroto wao ni kugayukania Kenya niguo megune ukiumbe.